Yeah, morning everyone. I'm audible. I'm audible here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, can anyone summarize what has happened in the last class? So we started with what? What we did in the last class? No one? No one knows what we did last class? Yeah, Shobita, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you revise ma what has happened in the last class?
Sir, we started with second module,
Good.
combinational logic, this, sir.
Okay. Then?
And we did a problem
Okay, so that is based on analysis, right?
analysis, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I think I gave one problem for assignment also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Others? Have you done that? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sabita. Yeah. So the last class, I think we discussed about model number 2, and I told clearly that what all things you are going to learn in this model for 40 marks. So we'll be starting with analysis of combinational logic. So I think we solved few problems also. So they're going to give a statement like how we did in the last class, a network. From that, they will ask you to write a final Boolean expression. So or vice versa. Then we will be talking about the design of combinational logic. So you have different examples like decoder, encoder, multiplexer, adder, subtractor, and comparators. So based on this, you're going to get 20 to 30 marks, and remaining 10 marks I told you'll be having a concept called PLD, programmable logical device, followed by your FPGA. So based on this, you will get 8 to 10 marks. So that will be the syllabus for your second module. So in the last thing, what we did, we went through with analysis. We went through with analysis. Okay. So analysis, I think I gave one problem assignment also. So anyone solved this problem what I gave? Anyone got the answer? So I think I asked you to get what is F1, F2. See, the question is on the board itself. So we understood what is the thing they have asked. So here you have to find F1, F2, and I given the hint also. So in the question itself they are given T1, T2, T3, T4. So go and plot a truth table A, B, C, D. It's a 4 input variable for T1, T2, T3, T4, and you need to get F1, F2. Anyone solve this? Anyone solved? Sannidhi 114 solve ಮಾಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ.
Yes, sir.
What was the answer you got here for F1 and F2?
Sir, F1 A plus B bar C plus A bar B plus D, sir.
Okay.
And F2 is A bar B plus D.
A bar B plus C.
D, sir.
A bar
A bar B plus D.
D. Okay, good. So I think it was asked using verify KMAP also, right?
Yes, sir.
So verification is done. You just check out. Yeah, others just make sure you solve this. See, this is a 10 marks question. So either they can give the truth table, they can ask you to get this diagram, or from the diagram you can go with the thing what you have solved. Okay. So if anybody have doubt with this how to solve, you just tell me. I will repeat how to solve. Otherwise, we'll move with the next topic today. Any doubts, anyone till here?
Sir, F1, sir.
F1 answer, appa.
Sir.
F1 answer is A plus B D bar plus B bar C plus B bar D. I'll repeat. F1 answer A plus B D bar plus B bar C plus B bar D. What you got? What's the answer you got here?
Sir, should we simplify that or we can keep like that only?
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ರಿಪೀಟ್
ಅದು simplify ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ
you have to
ಓಕೆನಾ ಸರ್?
simplify. See, you have to get a simplified version as much as possible, no? So that's why you can use K-map. See, once you got the truth table, so straight away dump the value in K-map. It is in SOP form, alva? So put the number of ones, group it, and get the answer. Okay, na? So others just make a note of the answer. So F1, it's A plus B D bar plus B bar C plus B bar D.
Sir, can you solve for F1, sir?
You want me to get the K-map for this?
That F1, only F1
Sir,
answers.
can explain again?
Only that F1 part answers.
Okay, fine. So we'll do this problem, not an issue. Listen here. So in the last class, I think we wrote, screen is visible, right? Is it visible what I am showing?
Yes.
Okay. So T1, T2, T3, T4 themselves they are given. Correct. So we need to find what is the corresponding variable for that. So I know that T1 is a output from this AND gate. So you can take, so this is your B bar, right? So B bar, C both are AND gate. So you can take B bar C. So again T2 A bar B and T3 A plus T bar and T2 XOR of D. Okay. So this is what you got. Then what I told, I asked you to fill the truth table. Truth table is filled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me write the truth table. So those are not done. Just make a note. So just tell me directly. I want only F1, F2. So I'll write answers for F1, F2. So it's a 4 variable. You get 16 combinations. Yeah. Can anyone tell me what is the answers for F1?
Sir, that F1
Plus
answer can also.
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ?
F1 answer solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir?
So you want me to solve that? Okay, fine. Yeah. So before that, I want to get answer of T1, T2 then. So you tell me answer of T1, T2, T3, T4. Then we will plot for F1, F2. Okay. So what was your T1? So it's B bar C.
B bar.
So you can start the input from 4 zeros and 4 ones. I think this you can do, right? So I just want the answers for this. Yeah. So what is your T1 now? So B is 0 and B bar becomes 1. 1 into 0 again becomes 0 only. So it's 0 only. Next. What is
A bar
T2?
B.
It's A bar B. So again, what's the answer?
0.
Okay, T3. T3.
0.
0. T4 is a combination of T2 XOR with D. See, I told whatever the answer of T2 you have, you XOR with your D input. So I hope in the last class I told, if inputs are same, then output is 0 if it is a XOR gate. So I hope you know this, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
XOR gate operation. If both inputs are same, output is low. If either of input is high, this is a condition, right? So based on this condition, to get T4, the answer you have got right. So for this, you just XOR the D input. So D input is 0, and again this also 0, 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir, out T3 is 0.
You can fill now. So what is F1 you got? What is F1 equation here? This is your OR gate, right? So this XOR gate, that is your T4 and T3. So you should put T4 plus T3. Correct?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct? So what is the answer you got? T4 is 0 and T3 answer also 0. So F1 you got as 0. Similarly, next one. So F2. So you have a D
E2 plus D.
plus D. So in this D input is 0 and T2 is also 0. So for this particular component combination of 0, 0, 0, you got all zeros. For 0, 0, 1 and tell me. So I hope you can fill this table now. I hope everyone fill this table now.
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted
Yeah.
to
Yes, sir.
simplify that F1, sir.
F1, sir.
How to get
That
F1 now?
Yes, sir. That
Yes, sir.
No, you want
simplified version.
answer for that or you want how to get that F1?
I want that simplified version, sir. Like
Simplified
F1.
answer.
Answer, tell, fine. No, before that, table is filled. I
Yes,
want
sir.
the answer from that only. Table is filled.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me what are the F1 answer you got? Table, table. After first zero, next answer.
1.
Those who have done, you can tell me the table for F1, F2. That is what I want. What is F1 you got here? After 0. 1 na. Okay, tell me completely. 1 Amala.
1.
How many ones?
4 ones.
4 ones. Okay. So after 0, you're telling that there are 4. Amala.
0 1.
0 1. Amala.
0.
0. Then
4 ones.
is it only 4 ones? 1, 2, 3,
Full
4,
ones.
5, 6, 7,
Other
8,
4
9, 10, 11. 10 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನ 5.
1, sir.
All are ones only.
All are ones.
So can I write like 8 ones? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So is it what answer everyone got for your F1? Just check out. Anybody have doubt how to get this? If you have doubt, you tell me, we'll cross check, not an issue. So assume that I am doing for 1, 0, 1, 0 combination as input. So what is your got? Let me check out for one sequence. 1, 0, 1, 0 input T1. So this is your A, B, C, D. So just apply the formula and tell me. So you got T1 as 1. Good. Next T2.
0.
0. T3.
1.
1. T4.
0.
0. So for this corresponding F1, how much you told?
1.
So F1 is correct, na? Yeah, everyone done till here?
Yes.
I will fill the table. Sir, what is it? Is it correct?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now I'm audible. Just check out. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after finding the answer for F1, can you tell me what you got for F2? Similarly, how I asked. F2 answer helchirappa. After 0, next term. After 0, next answer tell here.
1 0.
Okay, 1, 0.
5 1.
Good. Next. Next.
5 1, sir.
5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Next.
0 1 0.
0, 1, 0. Next.
1 0 1 0 1.
1, 0.
1 0 1.
Correct. So this is what the answers you got. So now let's try to verify this. So by applying your K-map, see directly you can apply K-map to reduce this. That is what the logic says, right? To get the reduced table, you can use the K-map logic. Yeah, everyone got till this table? Everyone got till this table, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's plot K-map for F1 only. So we'll plot a K-map for F1. So try to put a So A, B, C, D, right? Combinations you want to know? Just make a note. 16 combinations. So we'll be having A, B. Yeah, this you can fill this everyone. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yeah. Now from that table, what answers you got? You just tell me. So it starts from here, 0 to 15. Yeah. I will fill however it is there. So 0 you got 0. Fine. Next. 1, 1, 1. Cut up. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next 4 is 1. 5 is 0. 6 is 1. 7 is 0. Is it correct what I'm writing here? And remaining all ones only?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
the table? Is it how it looks? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now search from this anywhere. Can you start the things with a quad or directly you can go with octa? Octa idiyappa?
Octa,
Octa
sir.
combination is there. Yes or no? So you have octa here. You can just mark here. So this is your octa. So what is the expression from that octa now? So from this two I
D
can
bar.
make
A.
one only nothing but A common. And from this four, what?
Only.
We'll take B.
No, sir. No comment.
That's all right. This is complete A, already A. See, always remember whenever you take octa in the table, you will get only one. Amala. Next.
3 quad.
So you have 3 quads. Okay, let me tell you which is this. Can I take this as one quad? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer from this? So it says CD bar.
D bar.
Carton Rapa. Is it CD bar correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Then after this, where are
1
next?
to 9, 11.
2 pair.
2,
9, 11.
2, 9. Okay, this one I tell you. This is a quad. Good. Okay. So from this, what is the expression? So from these two, what is common term? B bar.
B bar. D.
And from these two, common term is D.
D.
Agree? Okay, good. Next.
1 pair.
Next one.
Sir, another quad.
1 quad,
Can
sir.
take this 4.
Yes, sir.
Possible? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, what is the expression for this now? So from this two
D,
common
D
is
bar.
B again. And from this two common is
D bar.
D bar. Yeah, any doubts? Anyone till here? Is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, next. Next.
That's all, sir.
That's all. All combinations are done. B bar D. Then what you told? B bar C. So everything is finished?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm asking you only. Is it done? So everyone got the same answer? You done right? Just verify. Is it same answer? What Srinidhi? What you got my answer? Is it same?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just check out. So after plotting this, just think, do you have essential prime implicants also?
Yes, sir.
Just listen now. Listen everyone. Just hold on. See, the first grouping what it is perfect. This is correct, right? So after this 4 completed, you're left out with only 2. You're left out with only 2, right? So your mate is complete as 4. Already 2 are covered, right? So you need to search other possibilities also. Look at here. If these 2 are left out, I can make this and this combination as 4. Agree? I'll just write here. Listen here. This combination 2, 3 and 10, 11. So this combination I can make as quad. Then remaining 1 was there, right? And this will come one last option. So no need to do this complete vertical things what you have done. So that is your essential prime implicant. Agree with this? Shall I repeat?
No, sir, got it.
Shall I repeat here, Sanidhi?
No, sir, got it.
Yes, sir.
Others? Okay, let me repeat what we did. See, listen carefully. After marking the number of ones in this K map, we have taken the octa as the first group. That is correct. So once you mark the octa as a first group, so what is left out? So I'll just mark here. Just check out the last row I'm writing here. It is like this: 1 1 followed by 1 1. So this category has been marked. So these 2 are left out, right? That 2 are left out. So instead of marking this completely, see, whenever you mark, make sure that that should not be a part. If you make the mixing of this, that will become essential prime implicant. That is not called prime implicant. Prime implicant means minimal number of ones in a group. Minimal number. So left out are 2 ones like this. So instead of making this complete 4, can I make this side 4 and this side 4 as one group? That is what we did here. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Then look at here. After comparing, see here, this 2 is to 1. This is left out, right? So this is like this. So I've clubbed like this. Okay. So here you have 1 1. This 3. So only this is left out now. So then I take this 4 and this 4 as one category. See, essential prime implicant comes whenever the min terms are left out. So try to group in that way. If you group this complete 3, 8, 14 and 10 as one group, that is acting like an essential prime implicant. So now I hope everyone got the difference between essential and prime implicant. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now what are the connections you should make? Instead of going for this complete 4 quad, what I can do? See, this 2 are done. Only thing extra you should do is you take combination of 11, 10 and 2, 1, 3. So this 2 becomes a what? You want me to write once more? So let me take this map once more.
Sir, screen is clear, sir.
Is it not visible now?
No, sir.
Blur idiyappa, okay na?
Blurry this. Okay, sir.
Now check out. Same. Is it blur here still?
Okay, sir.
Okay na?
Sir.
Yeah. So how it was, I will just regroup once more. So I think it was like this. Is it so? Correct what I wrote? So we have done this as one group. Agree? Then second thing what it is, we have taken this complete 4 as 1. So that should not happen. You need to check out for minimal number of ones as a min-term. That is your prime implicant. So what I did, so this and this is your second. That is your B bar D, correct? Then this combination with this combination. So what is this answer now?
B
B bar
bar C.
C.
B bar C. Okay, and remaining as it is. So this 4, this 4. So now check out all the things has been covered. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the final expression you can write? So for F1, you will get A plus B bar D plus B bar C plus B D bar. So now we got how to solve. Am I clear? Am I clear? Any doubts, anyone till here? See, if anybody didn't got how we did, you can ask. So I hope now you got a clear picture difference between essential, prime implicant to prime implicant. Am I clear?
Sir, solve the expression, sir. F1.
Expression is not so. That's it. This itself is expression.
Sir, we can take B bar D and
T3 plus
BD
T4.
bar.
Okay? You're telling common toggle. You want to do further simplification? Okay, fine, good. So you can take B bar common from this.
Sir, that's not, sir. B bar D plus BD bar. XR we can take, sir.
Which one, man? Repeat.
B XOR with
B
D.
bar D plus BD bar. We can take
This one.
XR.
Okay, good. This two, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? So you're telling that I can take this as B XR D. Sorry, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not a problem. Even if you write at till here also not an issue. This also good. So now I hope everyone got the logic how to get this. So now same way can you finish off for F2 for me? So fill the table. So like how I did and check out what is the expression. Solve this, finish it off. So try to fill. The F2 table now and tell me how to do groupings. Zero, 1, 3. So repeat the same thing for F2 also. So can you tell me the grouping now? What is the answer? So where are the ones, zeros? Where are the ones? You tell me that is enough for me. Yeah. From the table where I should fill ones now? 1 is 1.
1 is 1.
Okay.
3 is 1.
3 is 1. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 1.
4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, 1. Good. Next.
13, 14.
13, 14 up. I think it's 15, no?
Yes, sir.
14 is 0. Check out here. 14 is 0. So 15.
9 and 11.
Amala?
9 and 11.
9, 11.
9 and 11. Good. So this is how we got. So it's look like simple, right? So how to group now? Tell me. How to
One
group it?
octa.
Octa Bharata. I can take this complete term as octa.
No, sir.
No? I can't take this 8 group as octa. Yes or no?
We can take.
It's an octa, right? So what is the expression from this? Common terms.
D bar. That's the D.
D.
Only
D.
D or D bar?
D, sir.
D, na? Okay. Next. Next, how will you take?
Second
Quad.
row
You take
quad.
quad. This complete is quad now. Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So what is the expression from this?
A bar B.
A bar B.
A bar B. So now what is your FD equals to?
A bar B.
F2 equals to? F2 is equal to
A bar B plus
A
D.
bar B plus D. That's it.
D.
See?
Yes, sir.
Understood now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you need to Analyze the combinational circuit. So I hope everyone done till here. Shall we proceed next now?
Sir,
Yeah.
actually I wanted that F1 we will get T3 plus T4, no sir?
F1 you will get
Like in the
T3 plus?
first T3 plus T4, no sir?
Okay.
I wanted that simplified version, sir.
Calculation.
Actually,
You want answer for that?
yes sir, T3
Yes,
plus
sir.
T4. That's
See, I think T3 we wrote A plus A B bar. Sorry, I will write just right here. Just it down. Yeah, just make a note. So we wrote T3,
A plus B bar C.
T3, A plus
B bar
B
C.
bar C.
B bar C. Correct. What about T4? T4?
T2
T2
XOR
plus
with D.
T2 XOR D.
XOR with D. Sarinappa?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this, how I can expand this XOR operation? This is like your
A bar.
complete A. This is like B. So A XOR B means what? A bar B bar plus AB. Correct, huh? Correct, Naya?
Yes, sir.
So now what is A? This complete term. A bar. So just take A term, whatever it is, A bar B. So it
Sir,
becomes
it's A
whole
bar
bar.
B plus AB bar, no, sir.
Yeah? Is it like this? This is your A. This complete term I'm taking here. This complete term is A. This is B. So is it like this? Question.
Sir, XOR operation is A bar B plus B A
A
bar,
B
no,
bar.
sir.
Yeah. Sorry, sir. Yeah, I wrote X now. Correct. So it's A bar B plus B bar A. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I told, your A complete value is A bar B. So implement this formula now. So if I put A bar, it becomes A bar
B whole bar.
whole bar into D. Sarinappa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus, what is B bar? D bar. And into A is A bar B. So this is how it looks.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So you hope you know De Morgan's theorem in our basic electronics.
Yes, sir.
De Morgan's theorem. Nenpidiya?
Yes, sir.
So is it like that now? How will you split this?
A
Tell me
bar
what is
plus
the answer of this?
A bar plus
A
B.
bar plus B bar.
Good. A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar agata vendro. Bar erudukuno.
Sir,
I think
A plus
A
B
plus
bar.
B bar.
It is like this. It is like this. Correct? So complement, double complement gets cancelled. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong? That's why we'll get only A. Sarina?
Yes, sir.
Sariyanrappa. So is it A plus B bar into D? Ambala. Plus A bar B. Now what can be done? I can multiply D inside, that's all right. So this becomes AD plus B bar D plus A bar B D bar. Anything else common here? Anywhere you want to take common, that's all.
Sir, D count.
Srinidhi, sorry, Sannidhi.
Nothing.
T4 ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರು?
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. Now is it fine? Is it understood now? So this is your teamwork.
Yes, sir.
Can you do further simplification? That's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, others, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
So you can verify the truth table if you have doubt. whatever the answer you got for T4, you implement this equation by dumping the values and verify yourself. So that completes this problem. So am I clear till here? Am I clear till here? Shall we move to next topic then? Shall I? Yeah, I'm audible here. Shall I move to next topic I asked?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that completes the analysis part. So now we'll go with the designing part. So let's understand the adder subtractor first, because if we go directly to decoder, again there is a word called adder subtractor there. So again question mark will come. So before going for decoder, encoder and mux, let's try to analyze adders and subtractors. Okay. So everyone heard adders in your basic electronics? Adders. What it does? Have you come across the word adders? Yes or no, yeah? Have you heard adders or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of adder? Name itself tells answers for you, right? Adder.
It will add inputs.
That's it. So it is going to perform addition operation for you. So what is the output for adder? What is the output for adder? So after doing addition, what is the output you will get? You can expect here. Don't know? Okay, fine. Let me explain. So let's deal with your adder concept today. So as your friend told, it performs addition operation. Okay. So whether it is 2 input, 3 input, depending upon that, we can perform the addition. So before going for this adder, exactly what you're dealing in this syllabus. So just tell me the values for this. Is it visible? Is it visible what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answers for this 0 plus 0.
0.
You want
0.
calculator to do 0 plus 0?
0, sir.
0 plus 1?
1.
1 plus 0?
1.
Yeah, now tell me what is the answer for 1 plus 1? Is it 2?
0.
1 plus 1? Don't write it is 2, that is in your normal addition, it is a binary, digital, right? So whenever you find such kind of things, 1 plus 1, what is 0?
Sum is 0.
Very good. Sum is 0, and what is carry?
1.
1.
Carry is 1. 1.
Means whenever you perform addition operation, the two outputs what you're going to get are sum and carry. Is it fine till here? Everyone? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So after knowing this table, so in this we are going to have two adders in the syllabus. One is called off adder. So one more is full adder. So off adder, full adder is what you are going to perform here, right? So off adder means you are going to perform addition of two inputs. Two input means how many combinations you will get?
4.
4 combinations. Good. So in 4 combinations, you are going to check out what is your sum and carry.
Sum and carry.
So if you want more than 2 variables, then we have to go for your 3 variable full adder. So full adder also performs addition, sum and carry. Only changes from off to full. Full will give you 3 variable input. So how many combinations now?
8.
8.
8 combinations. So from off adder, you will get 4 combinations, and here you can do 8 combinations. Okay. Just make a note of this adder. So this thing what I wrote, only this much. Statement wise, just write this addition. So 1 plus 1, whenever I say 1 plus 1, you should say sum is 0, carry is 1. Right? Okay. So is it done? So then you write 2 adders we are going to deal. One is off adder, one more is full adder. Am I clear till here to everyone? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I want you to perform this addition and tell me what is the answer. 1011 followed by 1110. Yeah. Perform addition for this. Is it visible what I wrote? Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've given the numbers for you. Can you add this and tell me what is the answer?
1001.
So let's
1001.
go one by one. Okay. So 0 plus 1, just now we told it is equal to 1.
1.
Done. So 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry should be written here.
Carry.
So 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is written here. Then again 0 plus 1 plus 1, correct? Huh? So 0 plus 1 plus 1, what is sum?
0.
Sum is 0, right? It's like 1 plus 0 plus 1, nothing but sum is 0. Again, do you get carry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is addition of 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Someone carry one.
Sum is
Someone
one, carry.
carry one.
Very good. So
One.
after adding, listen carefully. After adding 1 plus 1, I am going to get sum as 0 and carry pops out. Correct na? So here 1 plus 1, 0 is there. Again that 0 plus 1, sum will be 1 and this carry which was popped out will come here. So is it how you need to analyze? Am I clear? Everyone till here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So this is a
sir.
mistake you will commit. Whenever you add 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will just write simply 0 or 1, you will left out the things. So just add, it's just a simple thing. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, you write aside 0, 1 carry you throw out. That will come out here. This is your carry. Then remaining 0 plus 1, you just add it. So this is the way you need to perform addition. So now we will deal with the first concept called as off adder. Just make a note. The off adder heading. Off adder heading, everyone. So we'll deal with off adder today. So off adder. Okay. So how many combinations I told? So you can perform input is equal to 2. So 2 power n becomes 4 combinations, right? So I can take inputs, just make a truth table, inputs A, B, and how many outputs you have? How many outputs? How many outputs for adder here?
4, sir.
1.
One output.
2 outputs.
2, sir.
Two outputs.
Someone carry.
Someone carry.
And
Someone
carry.
carry.
So make this table like this. So how many combinations I told now?
4.
4.
So start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the combination now. So what is the answers now? 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, carry 0, 0 plus 1, carry 0, and 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So any doubts? Anyone out at this table now? So just make a note. You just make it a table. It will be helpful for you. So this is your truth table. So this is how the truth table look like for your off adder. So this is your TT. Truth table. Bardra. Am I done
Yes,
here?
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now listen. See, whenever they ask adders for you in the exam, they will ask explain off adder, explain full adder. Okay. Then what all things you should write? If it is adder, write a statement. Then off adder. Off adder, how many combinations, how many inputs, and a truth table. Followed by truth table, we need to write a logic diagram. So logic diagram for what? Logic diagram for sum and carry combination together. So I need to build an off adder circuit, right? So how to build that? We need to perform a K-map logic. That's it, right? So how to represent a symbol for off adder? I'll just write here. So is it visible what I'm writing here? So you have AB as an input and you have sum and carry as an output. Is it visible what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can just make a note, this is a logical symbol. So what this is made up of, that is your logical circuit diagram. That we need to debug now. So any doubts anyone till here? So this is your block diagram and this is your corresponding truth table. So now before plotting the logic diagram, say I am explaining for half adder. So next I want you to perform full adder. So that's why listen carefully. So is it done till here everyone? Done till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's try to build a K-map for sum and carry. Then from that, let's plot a logical diagram. Okay. Okay, let me write here. So how many boxes you want now?
4.
8.
Good. So for sum, so I want 4 boxes. So one is A, one is B, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now. So can you tell me what I should fill here? 0. You can check out here. 0, 0 combination, 0, 0 combination, sum is 0. 0, 1 combination, 0, 1 combination, sum is 1. Okay. Then 1, 0 combination, 1, 0 combination, sum is 1. Again 1, 1 combination, sum is 1. Am I correct? Everyone? Am I correct what I wrote?
So 1 1.
Sir, 1 1
So
sum.
1 1
So 1 1
combination 0.
combination sum is
Yeah,
0.
1 1 combination, sum is 0. Correct na? So be alert there. So 1 1 combination, sum is 0. So this is a mistake you will see. Just blindly you will see 1 1 1 you will write. Okay na? Am I clear now? So now can we implement the K-map logic here? So this is one single, this is one single. So what is the expression now?
A bar B.
A bar B, Amala,
A B bar.
A B bar. What is this equal to now?
A XR B.
So this is how you got for some expression as A XOR B. So now I hope everyone clearly mentioned. See earlier we directly used to tell XOR means A XOR B as A bar B plus A B bar. Now is it clear how we got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, can you tell me for carry now? Carry. So again 4 box. Yeah, is it visible here what I'm writing here? Is it small or you want me to write bigger?
It's visible, sir.
Okay. So 0 1 0 1. Yeah. So where you should pull 0 0 0 1. So you have only one answer here. What is this equal to?
A B.
AB. So from this you can prove that or you can write that sum is equal to A XOR B and carry is equals to AB. Am I clear till here to everyone? So is it visible now? Okay, Andra, is it done? So now what we should do next after this K-map verification?
Logic.
Logic
Logic
diagram.
diagram.
So you need to provide a logic diagram. Okay, now listen carefully. I think in the first class I talked something called logic gates. How many types of logic gates I told you?
4.
How many types of logic gates? 4.
2 types.
2, sir.
2. So first one is called as
Basic
Basic
and
gate.
good.
derivative.
Basic
Derived
gates
gates.
called
Derived
as
gates.
Derived
Derived gates.
derived gates. Very good. Okay now. So I told basic gates means your AND or not. Derived gates means your universal gate NAND NOR followed by exclusive OR gates XOR and XNOR. Correct now? So in the question, particularly if they ask you to write a logic diagram using basic gates only, I will specify basic gates only. Then what you should do? You need to expand. Yeah, is it audible? It's audible, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now? Yeah. So you got what I said? If they mention specifically, write logic diagram using logic gates only. Then you need to build a circuit for A bar B plus AB bar only. If they ask logic gates, then you can use A XOR B one gate and combination of this another gate. You got the difference, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write both together. So let's write together now. So for half adder, let us plot the sum and carry or the logic diagram using basic gates. How many inputs you want? So you can make vertical also, horizontal also, it's left to you. Whether you want like this, A followed by A bar, it's left to you. Okay. Similarly, you have B bar. Same thing I can write vertically also. Means like this. Vertically, if you do it means spacing will be easier for you, that's all. So am I clear with both? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Either you can write like this or write like this. Both are correct, not an issue. Right. So now I got A complement, B complement. Now tell me for sum what I should do. Look at here. So for sum I want A bar B. So A bar is here. For this I will connect my B and I should connect to which gate?
And gate.
Good. So I'm going to provide my AND gate. So this is your A bar B logic. Next you want B bar. B bar is here and you want A. So try to put the jump here whenever you cross over. So try to maintain the jumps like this. Otherwise it look like connection. So this two combination again given to AND gate. This is your A B bar. And these two combinations are given with what?
OR gate.
Or
OR gate. So I need to connect this both to an OR gate. So here comes your final answer of sum. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the same diagram, you should write carry. Don't write carry separately, sum separately. Both should be in one logic diagram. So what is the equation for carry? AB, right?
AB.
So where are the inputs from AB? You can mark, you write below that. A is here, B is here. So combination of this you can connect and you can get a carry. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you look at this, if you build a logic diagram like this, how many gates you require?
5 for sum, sir.
Here count madappa. Count the number of
5 for
gates, how
sum
much you
1.
have in this diagram?
6.
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need 6 gates, logical gates to build this. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So if
sir.
you do this much, what will happen? Area consumption becomes more.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
for that purpose, we'll go with a simplified version called as A XOR B. So A XOR B is just one gate. I'll just write here. So A is an input, B is an input, and everyone know the symbol for your XOR gate. So this is how it looks. So this becomes your sum. And what about your carry? So A is here, B is here, so it becomes your carry. So now just how it is now.
2 gates.
So is it not advantage?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Everyone, am I clear? Am I clear? Is it audible? I'm audible, yeah?
No, sir. Breaking.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ still just one second. You okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope everyone you can. So this below part which involves same off adder which involves 6 gates, instead of that using 2 gates we can get an off adder. Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So just make a note of both the diagram. So now your task is for the next class, write the same way what I did till now for the full adder. I am repeat, write the same way for the full adder what all things I asked you to. So first start with heading, then a logical symbol, truth table followed by what? A logical diagram and the expression using K-map. Is it fine? So if we do this, so next class we will just cross check and we will try to wind the things. Am I clear to everyone? Am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
to everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just listen here. Just listen. Say I want you to maintain a separate 100-page book purely for your assignment and surprise test. I repeat, just an 100-page book for your surprise test and your assignment. So assignment questions will be posted soon. So start maybe next week. Maybe next. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So surprise test will be there next week. And I told today 3:45. After the class, you take 15 minutes break. 3:45, I will share a link of your quiz for the quiz number 1. So you can enter the quiz. You can start doing there, and you can expect the deadline is 45 minutes. So it will take hardly 15-20 minutes to solve. I am giving buffer time for 20-20 minutes. So till 4:30, that will be open from 3:45 till 4:30. So after 4:30, response won't be expected. Is it clear? So I won't accept the response after 4:30. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
It's just a matter of 10-15 minutes quiz, multiple choice question. So try to answer. I will share the link at 3:45. From 3:45 till 4:30, link will be available. So if you have missed, so I can't help you. I will put 0 as a quiz marks. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now your task is set.
Yes, sir.
So that what you're supposed to do for the next class. So complete for me full adder. So we'll take attendance and we'll leave. Yesterday we had class. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 1, not 1,
Yes, sir.
2,
Yes, sir.
3.
Present.
3 is not there. 4 is a 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16. Shashidhar is not there. Okay, 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21. Sneha Ilva. 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 26,
Present, sir.
27, Supriya. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31. Tilak. 32. 33.
Present,
34.
sir.
Yeah, given 34. 34 is not there. 35. No. 36.
Sir, 125,
Present,
sir.
sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ
125, sir. ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಗ್ಲಿಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
125. Given.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 36 is not there. 37. Vinay.
Present, sir.
39.
36
Vincent.
present, sir.
Present, sir.
36, sir.
41.
36.
Yeah, 36 because given. Don't worry. 42.
Present, sir.
43. Yashwant. Not there. Okay. Telecom 1 is not there. Rutvik. 17T 30. Yeah, who is
Present,
this
sir.
live.cad? ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇದು?
Sir, 30 is present. T030, 17.
Hey, you logged in with something else, yeah? You now don't have ID, na?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಐಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತರನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ.
ಹಾ.
Telecom 1 is not there. 2. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5. Okay.
Present.
So enter user number. Yeah. Enter user number. You can leave.